Plants are awesome. They add life to a room and give us company. But then I get busy and forget about taking care of them, which makes them wither away and die. That's where GrowCube comes in, a super smart automatic watering device. GrowCube isn't just a water tank with soil moisture sensors and a watering nozzle. It's a complete automated plant care system that can keep your plants watered for up to 2 weeks. You never need to remember when to water your plants or how much. Each GrowCube is capable of monitoring up to 4 plants simultaneously and watering them only as and when required based on each individual plant's soil moisture levels. And it stops watering when the plant has reached optimal soil moisture. GrowCube knows the soil moisture of over 3,000 plants, so you can grow almost anything. Feel free to keep being a workaholic. The plants won't complain. GrowCube monitors and charts the growth of each plant to keep it flourishing. You can even extend the water capacity of your GrowCube by hooking it up to an external water supply. GrowCube has a timed, automatic watering mode that can be configured like an automatic sprinkler system. GrowCube fits in everywhere, in your office, in your home, balcony, and almost anywhere else. You can even use the GrowCube app to maintain a plant diary to track your plant growth, and then you'll find they grow up so fast. GrowCube didn't just come out of nowhere. 10 years ago, we built an Arduino plant sprinkler automatic watering system and got some great feedback from the community. Inspired by this, in 2015, we made a custom kit to help people water, and it became quite popular. Out of this kit evolved GrowCube, letting anyone automatically monitor and water plants. After many design iterations, it's become a product we are proud of and believe it will bring joy to your life. Beautify your life with plants as GrowCube takes good care of them, and you take all the credit. Let GrowCube do the hard work for you. Support us today to get your GrowCube and turn that thumb green. GrowCube. Grow like a pro.